On behalf of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints in South Wales and Care for Humanity, we wanted to say a big thank you to everyone who's been involved in our service project in response to Covid-19. Just 10 days of this service project, 82 of you signed up to help. Our volunteers took on roles such as packing bags, street collecting, putting on labels, moving items, driving around, and everyone was willing to take on a different job. As we were also in lockdown, we wanted to make sure that we were following the government guidelines. With the help of the Ministry of Health and the South Wales Police, we were able to get permission and follow the strict social distancing guidelines to make sure that we were keeping everybody safe as we did this project. Our goal was to deliver 10,000 hygiene packs to those who couldn't get these essential items for themselves. To reach this goal, we were going to have to become creative in the way that we could get all of these items. We were fortunate enough to get funding from Latter-day Saint charities that would allow us to buy a large stock of these items in bulk. We also knew we needed the help of the communities, and so with our volunteers, we quickly established a street collection service where our volunteers would put notes or through social media let their neighbours know that there would be a box or a collection time that people could safely donate hygiene items and food items that we would then put together into packs or into supporting food banks. We also needed volunteers who would be willing to open up their homes and start making up these packs as the large orders came in. People were so great at doing this, and the boxes didn't overwhelm them, they just got straight to work. Within 3 days, we had managed through our volunteers to put 8,000 kits together. With packing complete, our volunteer coordinator would then organise for drivers to go pick up these items and often just take them straight to the hospitals who were in need of them the most. It was a busy 4 days, but within the next 4 days after our big order, we did manage to get out 8,000 hygiene kits. In addition to the hospitals, we've also been able to provide kits to over 35 different locations, including care homes, women's aid, support programs for vulnerable families, and lots of other community services that we're so grateful for your help in putting these packs together. We also wanted to make sure that we'd be able to continue that support, and so our community volunteers continue to be collecting items that help us to make all of these hygiene kits. Since this project started 17 days ago, we have been able to deliver over 8,700 kits to those people in South Wales who are in most need of them. We're not stopping here though. We're continuing to collect. Our street collectors continue to put out their boxes every day in the hope that communities will stand with us as we continue to stand with those working on the front lines. One of the key things that we often hear when delivering these items is how grateful people are that we have taken the time to have people put together these packs. That makes it so easy for these staff who are working in such difficult conditions to just be able to take those really needed items all in one pack to those who need them most. What might seem like a few minutes of our time putting together these packs saves precious times that these staff don't have to go hunting through boxes to find that one thing that they need for that person. We're also in contact with over 15 food banks to ensure that we are able to give them the items that they really need. We still want to reach 10,000, and we know as we work together, we can get there. Couldn't have done it without everybody, so thank you for all of your work on this project.